Guys, what's going on, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Gortes Dashcam. This is a brand new dash cam that was just given to me, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys whether or not this is worth buying and tell you some interesting and cool features that this camera has that others don't at the same price point. Let's go ahead and get this review started. So let's talk about what actually comes within the box. Within the box you get a camera, which is a metal body and full LCD back screen with physical touch buttons on the right side. It also has the micro SD card up top, the power charging cord on the right side, and the best thing that I noticed about this straight off the bat is the power charging cord. They are nice enough to give you a 90-degree connection, so you're able to tuck this wire up into your headliner and down to your cigarette lighter, versus other manufacturers that give it to you straight on, which makes it very difficult to hide the wire. So lots of credit for that. The construction of it is very solid, it's very rigid, and this knurled knob on the front just constantly makes me want to turn it and twist it, but it's a fixed focal point camera. There is no adjustment angle needed. Also within the box you get this 3M mount that goes straight onto your windshield, and then it just slides right on to your camera just like so. So it's nice, it's discreet, it's perfect. Talk about actually using the camera. To turn on the camera with this dual battery system, you'll be able to press and hold the power button, which will turn on the camera and allow you to use it immediately on the spot as a recording device, or you can press the mode button up here. First, let's just stop the recording. Go up here, press the mode button, which is this top one, and you can use it as a camera. You can actually take this out of your car and take pictures of the scene, and you'll have it all right here, all in one place. Now let's go back over to the video feature, and something really nice is you're allowed to rewatch your footage on the spot. Unlike some other car dash cams that don't let you do this unless you plug it into a computer, this one's actually nice enough that it lets you view your content immediately. See? So one really nice feature about this camera is the ability that it has to record anything that happens while the vehicle is parked. To enable this feature, all you're going to want to do is just press this settings button right here and then scroll down to where you see parking monitor. Then press the power button to enable it, and then you can choose your sensitivity of how do you want it to get triggered. So if I set it to high and then I exit all of this and I turn the camera off, let's go ahead, power the camera down and set it on the vehicle, you can see just that gentle tap was able to trigger it, and it immediately started recording. Let's go ahead and try that again, turn it off, and just imagine that this is inside the car and somebody comes up to my car and bumps it. And as you guys can see, it took a little bit of time to turn on, but it successfully turned on and it started recording the scene. So I'll be able to get somebody's tag, I'll be able to get somebody's face, I'll be able to see who hit my car, and the best thing is it locks it like that, so you're not able to re-record over this footage till you've viewed it. That is an awesome feature. Let's go ahead, throw this inside the car and see if it actually functions while it's up there. And at the same time, let's get some footage of this during the daytime, during the nighttime, and see how does this camera actually perform. So this is actually a quick recording of the parking system in use. As you guys can see, it got me messing around with the car. It only took a little bit of time for it to turn on. And then this is a recording of the actual camera in the daytime. Gets great colors and not as wide of an angle as I want. The nighttime, on the other hand, I felt like it was having a lot of issues in terms of glare. I kind of feel like this camera needs a filter on it because the glare is just that bad. Now let's go ahead and start ranking this camera. In terms of style, I feel that it is a very interesting design and is very well built. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10. Now for durability, I went ahead and gave it a 7 out of 10. The reason for this is because the camera does have a metal housing
but the screen itself scratched very easily with my thumbnail. So it kind of makes me wonder just how durable is this camera in the event of a crash. But since I don't plan on crashing my car, we'll never actually know. Features. This camera comes loaded with a lot of awesome features. I do have to dock at some points because it does not have Wi-Fi, nor does it have GPS and speed detection. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10. User-friendly. Do you need a PhD to use this product? Absolutely not. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Once you start realizing what buttons do what, it becomes an easy, simple dash cam to use with an ability to take it out of the car and take pictures if you wanted to, or you can use this as a recording device if you needed one in a pinch. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10. Pricing. At the price point of $60, I feel that you're getting a hell of a bargain for this particular camera. And it's definitely something that I feel, and I've looked over multiple times, that this is a great price for this particular camera. I'm going to go ahead and give it a 9 out of 10 in pricing, which comes to an overall score of 38 out of 50, making this one of the better dash cams that I have reviewed so far. So if you guys are definitely interested in this, you shouldn't hesitate in purchasing it.
There you have it, guys. That is my score of the Gortes Dashcam. My overall impression of this dash cam is it's amazing. For the price point, you guys are getting a fantastic product. And that parking mode, that's just over the top. I love it. I absolutely have always wanted a camera that has parking mode for this price point. I think that it's going to be hard to find a camera that can beat this at that price point. If this is something you guys are interested in, go ahead, go down to the description, and I will leave a link where you guys can buy one. And of course, I will go ahead and give this camera away, this one that was tested right here. I will give it away. All you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and tell me down below your favorite car. I will go ahead and pick a winner when we get to 5,500 subscribers. And in the meantime, take care, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this.